Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Meta. So I want to press play and I'm going to run into this chair. As you can see, the chair doesn't move. In real life, when you run into something, especially a couch or whatever, it should move at least a little bit, right? And if it's a light object, then definitely it should move by quite a bit, right? So Unreal has a facility for this, and the facility is called physics. So when I click on this couch and I go to the details panel here, I can see that there are many things. There's a static mesh, there are materials. There's also something called physics. So I'm just going to check simulate physics here, and that makes this a physics object. So I'm going to press play and now see what happens. Look at that, right? And if I go faster, it moves a little better, right? So as you can see, this couch is now a physical object, right? You can actually even lift this if you're smart about it. Right, now you can edit some more parameters. You can actually make this, you can just make this 2 kgs, which is small, right? You do 2 kgs and you run into it, obviously it's going to go flying, which is exactly what happened to that. Wow, that just went far. But let's give it something a little higher, maybe 50 kgs. Yeah, 50 kgs shouldn't be that much. See, you can move it around. Now, this physics stuff is, the actual weight is not that accurate because it's actually an interaction between the player and this object, and it depends on the speed and a lot of things. So play around until it makes perfect sense. I found that maybe having 400 kgs or something makes good sense for a couch, but you use your own discretion for all the objects that you put in. I think this is good. Right? This is quite good. This reminds me of GTA. All right, guys. So as you can see, Unreal makes a lot of things easy for you. It's chunked into a lot of different menus, and that's the big problem. But if you keep up with me, eventually you will become good at this engine. Catch you in the next episode.